I happened to read a research. I think you have come across this.
Yes.
When applied electricity, it stimulates plant to grow 30% more faster.
Yeah.
So wasn't that like, how was it for you when you happened to read that insight?
From a biological standpoint, very interesting that plants sense and respond to like low voltage electricity. You can make a case of applying this for commercial production, but how exactly is not yet clear. I mean, it's not a problem we can't solve. It definitely can be addressed. Right? You have to develop some sort of systems and fixtures in which it's conductive as they've developed, but scale it up. So I think scaling it up has some sort of you have to work out the kinks to make it work seamlessly. It's a nice thing to test out.
So it states 5 days of low power electricity directed to the roots of young plants boosted the growth more than 50%. Wow.
Yes.
50% more growth.
Yeah.
So they came up with something called e-soil, cellulose-based scaffold infused with electrodes that, when powered up, boosted the growth of seedling by 50%.
Yeah.
The finding could pave the way for a fertilizer-free approach to agriculture. Quite a bold statement.
Yeah, that I don't see that.
Yeah.
It might enhance the efficiency. You might need less nutrients, but nutrient-free, no.
Yeah.
There's no free lunch.
So what can happen in the molecular level or in the tissue level when you apply electricity that can lead to 50% more growth? Like, what is the reason, do you think?
There is no, it hasn't been studied.
Yet.
We don't know what's happening in there.
So plant is just a tip of an iceberg, yet to be scratched.
But I'm also, I find it challenging to speculate too. I don't know what's the predominant mechanism. It has something to do with no idea.
I want to brainstorm this idea more. Like,